Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy today to be bringing you some more fall decorating. I have two beautiful Tuscan jugs that I have used for floral arranging for years in my home. One I usually keep in the sunroom on a pedestal stand, and one I keep in the family room in the window on that long Ethan Allen table. I've decided to bring the one in from the sunroom and use it on my Ethan Allen table. It's the smaller one of them, and use the larger one on my snack bar. So I love sunflowers, and I'm sure a lot of you do, and over the years I have collected a lot of them. I've used them in different floral arrangements and different vignettes, and I just decided this time I gathered them all together, and I'm just going to use them in that one pot with nothing else but sunflowers, because that'll make me smile every time I do the dishes, because that's where my sink is, looking over the snack bar. So this is going to be a simple project, and you probably have a lot of things in your home that you're currently using that you can just turn into fall vignettes. So come on with me and let me show you what I'm going to do here. Okay, so here are the two different jugs, the smaller one and the larger one. And I had it backwards. The larger one is the one that has the curly willow in it. And I have had this curly willow in it for years, and in the fall, I usually just stick these in. I'm actually going to take one out so you can see it. They have kind of fall beads on them, and I've already stuck them in amongst the curly willow. That's usually how I leave it, just with a curly willow and with the sticks with a fall embellishment on it. But I've decided to take it up a notch, and I used to use these in another arrangement. All stuck together here. So these are just like a white bittersweet, or cream. I guess I should say it's more of a cream bittersweet with little pine cones and so forth on it. And I thought, I'm just going to stick these in to give it a little more visual interest this year. And I think this is going to be really pretty and kind of bring some light to it, where it tends to look dark because of all the curly willow in it. And then I'm just gonna stick one in the middle. Just to give it a little bit of depth. And that's really brought that alive. I'm happy with that for sure. So you can see how you can take something that you're already using in your home and just add a few things to it to change its appearance. And this, for me, is going to add a lot of light and texture. I love these vases. I really do. Now this one, the smaller one, let's just kind of move this back. I'm going to put all the sunflowers in. Now this is just a trick. I worked in floral design for 2.5 years, and a lot of times when we were putting together a bouquet, we would wrap it so it would hold the shape that we wanted. So what I did is I already shaped these. See how I have smaller and then worked up to the larger? And I've already shaped them. And what I did is I just put a rubber band around to hold them in that place. So I arranged this in my hands and then put the rubber band around. Whoop, one fell out. It's because it's not in the elastic. So that now when I stick it into the vase, look at that. It already has different heights. You can see. You know, just play with it a little bit to get it. But I want it to look like it's growing wild in the field, you know? And it would be different heights if it were out on a farm field. And that one came out. Look at how I have some deep in there. So that's going to make me smile. I don't know about you, but I love sunflowers. And as I said, this is going to go right on the snack bar above my sink where I do dishes. So every time I stand there to do dishes, I'm going to smile. So I hope you find something today that makes you smile, and I hope that I've inspired you to utilize some things that you have already in your home and just bump them up a notch by adding a few little sprigs of flowers into them. Okay, I'm going to give you a closer look. If you're not yet a subscriber, you can hit the subscribe button, and you can also hit the notification bell, and every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have a blessed day.